with the videos, we apologize. So I'm going to drop a video on how I put on my lace front wigs. When I do wear lace front wigs, sometimes I wear closure lace fronts. Me and Erica both wear wigs. As you can tell, Erica's not in the video. So disclaimer, I travel for work. Yeah, I know, you know, like you travel for work and you start a YouTube channel. Yes, bitch, I did. So me and Erica does make videos. You know, life is life. So sometime it will be separate videos. When I go home, we're going to record more videos together. So just a disclaimer, I know everybody's like, what's going on? Honey, I've been trying to go home for the past 2 months. They ain't letting me go. But disclaimer, so this video, before this video start, like, subscribe to this channel. Leave comments after the video, you know what I'm saying? And what's teased. And I like, just like the makeup video. I am not a makeup guru. I am not a hair guru. I YouTube shit. I do shit for YouTube. And one of the big persons that I love watching, like, all her fucking videos is Red Fairy. Oh, I love that girl. I love that girl. I love her wigs, her slayage, her... So this is, I have learned to put my wigs on by her too. Not by her, but using her videos, Red Fairy. And I'm going to tag her because I love your work. I mean, I wish I could slay like how she slay, but your girl don't slay. So I'm gonna braid down my hair and put on my stocking cap, and I will continue recording on how I lay down the lace front. It's a 13x6 lace front, and I also am gonna link the hair review for this video because the wig is brought to you by Tinashe hair. Girl, I like the hair. Here you go, here. So it's co-washed. It's a 13x6 lace front wig. It smells good. And I put a band on there. So I had sewed a band on because I want my shit tight. Not tight to squeeze my head, but you get the concept. I need that shit to be ain't going nowhere. You know what I'm saying? So I had sewed on a band like an hour ago on it. So stay tuned. It's gonna be a quick video. Me installing the lace front. I'm gonna braid down my hair. I'm gonna put some Jamaican castor oil, cause you know I need my hair to grow. I need my little edges to grow back. You know what I'm saying? And it's lit. So thanks you guys. Thanks you guys who all support me and Erica. Thanks you guys to support the fan base, the YouTube, the subscribing, the comments, the watching the videos. We do value and appreciate all you guys. Sorry we haven't been consistent. I'm trying to drop a video at least once a week because I do work and Erica does work, so it's like hard, but it's life. But I want to say thank you beyond me and Erica. We want to say thank you for always being with us, and even if we ain't climbing the charts right now, but shit, you still like and watch the video, and we do appreciate that. We do. But okay, stay tuned. Yes, y'all, it's me, your girl. So this little voiceover, whatever. But anywho, so like I told y'all, I'm not the best at this. I still need practice. I still need time to practice. But you understand? I try. So I use Gots to Be glue, the freezing spray, and I use they glue, like the hair gel, to put the wig on. I have the bonds and all the other hair glue. They just messy to me, and they always white. They always leave white stuff, which I do not like. But you can use whatever you want. I'm not telling you. That's just my preference. Probably within time when I get better at it, then I use, you know, I have used it before. I'm not saying I don't have them. I'm just saying I like this method. It's quick, easy, it's less stressful, because putting these wigs down, ladies, you be stressed. You be stressed. But yes, y'all. Y'all, the whole video talking shit. So it's just gonna mute it. It's just me shit talking. I'm talking shit about shit. But yes, y'all, I love Larissa Andrea. Oh my god, she go by Red Fairy on Instagram. I love her. I love her. I'm gonna tag her. Cause you know I want us to be friends. She my friend. I love her. I don't know why. That girl be slaying. She up there with Tay and Jonathan, baby. They be slaying them wigs. But y'all know me. I just be talking shit. Yes, y'all. But stay tuned. I had this boy one time tell me he hate girls who wear wigs. And I was like, what your mama wear to church? And he like, what? I was like, what your mama wear to church? He was like, what the fuck you trying to say? I was like, oh, nothing. Okay, so I'm right-handed, so it's hard. Who you talking to? Who's she talking to? That's it. What? That ain't it. What? They ain't even my kids. That's the one. I had to go do my eyebrows and put on lashes for this. I don't know who you talking to. But you ain't talking to me. Y'all, this the wig. This the wig. You feel me? Like I said, I'm new to this shit too. I'm new to installing. When I tell you YouTube is how I learned how to do stuff, like people always ask me, how do you do your eyebrows? How do you do your lashes? How you do your YouTube? I plugged it, put some makeup on the tip part, just the tip, just a little bit. Threw a little water, some little oils on it, little oil. And that's that. Thanks guys for watching this video. Let me tell y'all, thank you. Like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you guys for watching. And I mean, it's lit. Let me go back to practicing how I'm gonna tell my sister I ain't watching her kids. No! I said what I said. That's the one. Y'all, we out.